Hey dolls and gents, your girl is back with a new get ready with me video on this look right here. All of you who saw my perfect blonde for dark skin video wanted to know how I got this look. So that's what we're doing today. And I'm actually about to step out the door, so I definitely need to apply my perfume. I cannot leave the house without rocking a bomb perfume. I feel naked without applying a perfume. I have to give a big shout out to Scentbird for sponsoring your girl's video today. Thank you so much. Today I'm going to be using my Scentbird Perfume. This is a monthly subscription site. It is normally 15 bucks, but I actually have a code for you guys to receive your first month 30% off, so you will get it for $10, which is a steal. Because check this out, you guys. This is the size of the perfume, and this is a sample size. Like, this doesn't compare. You actually get multiple uses out of this. Like I said, it's a 30-day supply. Your girl likes to bathe in perfume, so it doesn't last me 30 days. But if you just apply perfume how you're supposed to, it will last you a month or longer. So to apply the perfume, all you do is twist it up, and I'm going to spray here and right here. And I also do like to get the back of my neck. So the scent that I am wearing today is Confessions of a Rebel Get a Room. I had never heard of this brand, but this perfume is my new favorite. Like, I need a full size of this. This is exactly why I love Scentbird. I can actually try the perfume, see if I like it, see how it meshes on my body chemistry, because y'all already know when it comes to perfume, it could smell good in the container, but when you put it on yourself, it's going to change. So if you're a perfume lover, there's no reason why you are not already a part of this site, okay? Because it just is a must if you love perfume. And I seriously love collecting these colors. You can easily change them out to like match your outfit. Oh, I almost forgot to mention what I'm super excited about. They now have makeup and skincare products on their website as well. So I have this Mally shadow stick. I have never tried this brand before, but y'all, this shadow stick looks so bomb. Like, this is a nice gunmetal silver color. I'm definitely gonna do a tutorial with this, okay? So I did get 3 scents this month, so I'm gonna show you the other 2 that I received. I also got the Anna, I can't even pronounce what her last name is. I feel like every time I say it, I butcher it, so I'm not even gonna do it to myself today. But I've already sprayed these perfumes, so I know exactly what they smell like. This is a nice floral sweet scent, so I do enjoy this one. And then the other one that I received is the Kate Spade in Full Bloom. And this one smells so florally. Is that a word? This reminds me a lot of Flower Bomb. So if this is your first time trying out Scentbird, be sure to check the description box down below and get your first month for $10 only. Don't tell me that I didn't put you on to something, because this is definitely something if you love perfume. If you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video. A lot of you are not seeing my notifications, and that is probably why. If you want to see how I achieve this full look right here, then y'all know what to do. Stay tuned. All right, let's get into this look, you guys. We are first going to start off with the brows. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. I love this stuff. Y'all already know that. I'm using this on the outer 3/4 of my eyebrow, and we're going to blend this into the front of the brow with a spoolie. Next, I am taking this Tarte Busy Gal Brows in the shade Black Brown and just running it through the front hairs on my eyebrows. Now we are taking a concealer and carving out our brows. I absolutely love this one from Anastasia Beverly Hills. The only issue is that this isn't even available anymore. I'm really not sure why they discontinued this product, but when I run out, I'm going to be so sad. I love it for carving out my brows, and I love it for doing a cut crease as well. So now it's time to set that concealer with a loose setting powder, and this is just going to make sure that the concealer does not crease and that it doesn't budge. So let's get into this eyeshadow. I'm first going in with this medium yellow tone brown. This is from the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette. This eyeshadow shade is called Pukey. Next, I'm going in with a more warm tone medium brown, and the shade is from the Morphe 3502 palette, one of my favorite neutral affordable palettes of all time, and this color is called Spice. We are putting this a little bit below the first shade that we used. Next, I'm going to take a very deep chocolate brown and I'm going to apply this to the outer V of the eye to give it more depth and dimension. And I'm still using a shade from the Morphe 3502 palette. This eyeshadow color is called In the Zone. So we are going to do a very soft cut crease today. So I'm going back into that Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer and I'm applying this slightly above where my natural lid is. My lids are slightly hooded, so I do like to go a little bit above my lid. And also you can see I have a lot of space between my lid and my brow. So I do like to take it up, but I don't like it to bring it too high. I'm not taking it all the way to the outer corner of the eye. I'm going about 3/4 in, and I make sure that I really take my time with this to make it as precise as possible, and I always blend out the edges with my finger. Forgot how much I love this pigment from MAC. This is the Melon pigment. It's so pretty. It's like a peachy gold shade. Oh my gosh, this is perfect for like summer and spring. Now it's time to do a wing liner. I am using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black. I first like to start with my wing and then I fill that in and then I go all the way to the inner corner of the eye. Sometimes my wing liners turn out really thick, sometimes thin. Honestly, it just depends on the day, y'all. So if you struggle with wing liner, just keep rocking it and keep practicing and I promise you will get better over time. So I am rocking up my lashes, of course. These are one of my faves. These are my Da Bomb lashes, and I do have some on stock on my website. This is a pre-launch, so once all the lashes I have sell out, that will be it. This is my last pre-launch before the real launch in August. So I appreciate those of you who participated in the first pre-launch. If you want these lashes, get them now, y'all. I'm not playing. Now I'm going to mesh my lashes with the false ones using mascara. I'm using the CoverGirl Lash Blast Mascara in Extreme Black. Now it's time to prime the face. I'm first starting off with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Y'all know how much I love this stuff. And I'm using a different second primer today. I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and this is the original one. It does have like a silicone feel to it, so it does smooth the face, fill in your pores, and I feel like this is exactly why my makeup turned out so bomb. I applied this underneath my eyes as well, and I'm telling you guys, my makeup was smooth AF. Like, you can let me know what you think, but I really feel like this primer did that, okay? For foundation today, I am mixing 2 shades of my current fave. This is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I like using the shades Macau and New Caledonia mixed. I use more of Macau than New Caledonia. And I am using it with a different beauty tool today. I'm using it with the Beauty Blender, and I also am using it slightly damp. So I do let it run under the sink and I just get it nice and wet, but I wring it out with a paper towel. So it's just a little damp by the time that I use it. But I find that this technique, as opposed to a brush, just gives you a super flawless finish but it doesn't look as like mask-like as using the brush. You still get like a medium to full coverage, but it looks more like skin. I should have been doing this, okay? For cream contour today, I'm using my Black Radiance Foundation Stick in Espresso. I have been stuck on this product for a minute now. I love it. I'm using it on my forehead, my jawline, my cheekbones, and I'm also using it on my nose. I sometimes do like to go straight from the stick to the nose, but today I decided to put it on a brush first just to like get that nice blended look. But just make sure that you blend your contour really nice and it's going to look flawless. I personally like to do my contour before my highlight. I just feel like it pulls together better that way. But do your makeup in whichever order you want. Y'all ask me all the time, especially when I do Facebook Lives, like, why are you doing it in this order? It's just like what I prefer and how I feel for the day. But you can honestly do your makeup in any order that works for you. So for concealer today, to highlight underneath those eyes, I'm going in with the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer Cream in D35 Neutral. And I noticed that it was really getting kind of low and dry. So I did go over top my under eye area with the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape in the shade Tan Deep Sand. And then for the rest of the face, I'm using the shade Deep. And I'm applying this above my mouth on my Cupid's bow. I'm applying it to my chin, the middle of my forehead, and also the bridge of my nose. So I am blending this out with a damp beauty blender per usual. I just feel like it gives that nice flawless finish. So that is just what I've been doing. I like to take my time blending. I do have a paper towel in my lap that I like to wipe off the excess concealer that gets on the beauty blender, and then I go back on my face. And since I also use this tool to apply my foundation today, I also am going to use the back side to help blend out. I normally use a foundation brush, but since I just used the beauty blender today, I went back and forth between each side to blend everything out seamlessly. So I am setting this concealer. I only bake underneath my eyes now, and this is the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in Translucent, the same one that I used to set my concealer on my eyelids earlier. So to get that super bright under eye that y'all were loving and just all over highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Highlight Powder in Mellow Yellow. I don't even know if they sell this product anymore. It used to be like really big, especially when they did that whole contour book, but I just love this powder. It is a more deep yellow tone powder for dark skin tones. So they have a banana one that's for more light skin tones. This is for deeper skin tones. So I am bronzing up that face, honey, per usual. I am using the Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in the shade Deep 4. A lot of you brought to my attention that this is now called Deep. It's not called Deep 4 anymore. So if you see Deep now, it's the same exact shade, you guys. It just used to be called Deep 4. So yeah. And I am also going to snatch this nose a little bit with this bronzing powder. It's not really a contour, but I still like to get a little bit of shape on my nose. For highlight today, we are starting with the nose, which is very different for me, but I guess I would just fill in. Let me go ahead and do the nose and my Cupid's bow first, but I'm going into my Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter in the shade Hustler Baby. I love this shade. I'm applying it also to the inner corner of the eyes. And now we are going to snatch those cheekbones. Yes. Oh my gosh. I love highlights. I really didn't go in on the highlight today, but I still love the way that it turned out, you guys. So I am showing you me applying my little fake mole today. I did go back into the Wet n Wild Mega Liner for that. It's a pimple, so I like to turn it into a mole. And Milani Brilliant Shine Lip Gloss in Bare Secret will seriously have your lips just looking so juicy, so luscious.
Get this if you don't have it, okay? Next, I'm going to blow out my lower lash line with the shade Spice, which was the second eyeshadow shade that we used in the crease. And then I am going to deepen it on the inner portion of my lash line closest to my lashes with the In the Zone, which was the third eyeshadow I used in the crease to deepen the outer V. And lastly, I am going to get my bottom lashes in order. Y'all know how I feel about this. I always have to have mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm using the CoverGirl Lash Blast Mascara in Extreme Black, and this is actually the end, y'all. I didn't apply a setting spray today. Crazy, right?
By the way, if you are interested in this gorgeous hair that I am rocking, I did create a unit using raw, super curly Indian hair from Vent Hair Collection. If you are interested in checking out these hair extensions, I will leave a link down below for you guys because this hair is full and just gorgeous. I believe that it was steam processed to achieve this curl. It's so pretty. Like, I have never received curly hair quite like this. It's like wavy, but then the ends are like more clumped together. It's like so pretty. I don't have any product in the hair right now. This is just freshly washed, and I've been wearing this hair for a few days now, so it hasn't even been refreshed today. So it's just getting big like I like my hair. Y'all know big hair, don't care. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate all of your continued love and support. If you have not already checked out my last video, then you know what to do. Click the box right there, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.